What's going on, guys? I know the stock market has been just crazy the last week. Cryptocurrency has been crazy the last week, but I just want to bring out this one word and message on the channel. I want you to be careful. Be careful with the stocks you're getting into. Be careful with the cryptocurrencies that you're getting into. Because there's so many things going on at once. Don't get distracted from your real long-term investments. If you're in the stock market to build your wealth, if you're trying to make more money, if you're trying to get to the next level, if you're trying to see that two-figure turn into three-figure, turn into 4, 5, 6, and even 7, the Millionaire Club, be sure that you manage your investments. Right now, the stock market has been trending downward. Almost 1,100 points have come off the NASDAQ. And this is a time that you need to be paying attention. Don't be distracted by the man behind the curtain. Be sure that you remember to get those stocks. There's stocks out there right now that are going on sale that are long-term investments. Me right now, I'm eyeballing that Qualcomm. Hell, I'm even looking at Apple and maybe even Facebook now that it's gotten some of that blowback. There's some stocks out there to look for. Just remember now, I'm not telling you to go buy a particular stock. Not at all. These are things that I have interest in, and I'll have a series of separate videos on every stock I do hold and why I hold them. So I definitely want you all to click that bell. I want you to subscribe. But I just want to make sure that you get the understanding that we've got stocks out here that are going on sale that are great long-term investments, because the stock market isn't going to always, you're not going to 50x your money in a year. It's not all about options and short plays and just flipping money back and forth and, oh, I got to go here, I got to go there, let me go here, let me go there. That's great if you can get the bag, but just put money there that you don't want to lose, because it's always a high risk. High reward can always come with high risk, but you can also find a very great median in reward as well. I mean, with my plays like Tesla, different things like that. Look, Tesla has dropped $100 a share. That may be out of your range of what you could buy, but think about it. That's a stock that's going on sale for various reasons and all the turmoil that's in the market. So I just want you to remember, focus on the things you can get out there. We've got great dividend stock plays you can get into. We've got the whole, Mary Jane girl, you know who I'm talking about out there. You got some stocks out there like Planet 13. That was suggested to me by another great YouTuber, and I was like, hey, I got on that stock. Shit, 80 to 130% up for me since I bought that stock. Great stocks out there, and they're solid investments you can make. They're solid decisions you can make without risking or losing your money. Start learning how to read those investor reports, start going over a lot of things, and we're going to talk about a lot of stuff like that on this channel. There's so much that I want to get to, and these videos have been premature because of the amount of excitement that's going on. But for all the people subscribing to me, all the people that want to spread and share this knowledge and information and create this community together, I just want to get these warnings out there now, because I don't want to wait until after the fact that someone gets hurt in the stock market to warn them. I want to warn you now before you get hurt. I don't want anyone to be discouraged. I don't want anyone to quit investing. Investing is a great way, even with the oddball things we've seen. Investing is a great way to make more money in general and increase your wealth. So we don't want to let that opportunity go. We don't want to get burnt out before we even get a chance to get playing in that opportunity whatsoever. So just bam, spread this out there, let people know, start looking at stocks that aren't the main focus. Forget the AMC, the GameStop, even the BlackBerry, all this stuff. Think about those other stocks out there. You know, them stocks you always wanted, but you was like, man, that stock too expensive. I just bought 10 Snickers bars. I can't afford that shit right now. It's just, look at those stocks. Stop what you're doing and go look at those stocks. Start pricing out some things. Like I said, I got AT&T, I got Qualcomm, I've got Medtronics. All of these stocks have went down. Tesla, Intel, Ford, General Motors. Hell, even if you're into some of the other EV stocks, all that, NEO, First Graphene for materials. There's so many stocks out there, man. There's this, and these are just some of the ones that I have. Some I don't, but there's just so many picks out there. And with the market is going down almost 2% a day, and then another 2% the next day on the broad scale, man, there's deals out there. Get out there and look for some deals in the stock market. look at some companies. Look at companies you know about. If you're in a hobby, if you like shoes, if you know everything about shoes, you know about the Nike 9600s is about to come out or whatever the hell them shoes be. Look at some Nike stock. Look at some Foot Locker stock. You know you shop at the mall or Foot Locker, or you know what websites you go into. If you're in the art, a paint company. If you build houses, look at a wood company. So if you're wanting to make some first steps out there in the stock market, look at something that you're familiar with, because that takes the time off. It allows you to learn about stocks, because if that's your niche, you already know about the industry. You already know the players in that industry for your hobby, which you like. And I know I'm all over the place here, but think about it. Look in those areas. Shit, I know about computers. I've been building computers all my life. So the first places I looked was Intel, AMD, Nvidia, uh, Marvell. These are companies I know. I know what chips they're doing. Hell, when I was a kid, I was drawing pictures and predicting what they was going to invent 20 years from now sometimes. So I understood those markets and I invested in them, and it gave me time to learn my investing skills instead of trying to learn about the company. So if you're a beginner in the market, look at companies you're familiar with. Don't get distracted by these go here, go there. There's money to be made there, but there's a lot of risk to be had, and you can be burnt out so quick that you just don't get the opportunity. So that's all I've got to say. Don't forget to click that bell, like, subscribe, share this video out there. We're still getting the channel prepared. I need some artwork. I need some different things. I need some intros, music. We got all kinds of little things we want to add to the page. But the biggest thing I want to add here is the community and the knowledge. I want to get everybody together. I want to get our heads together, multiple people, so that we could win. Because you saw what the big guy did, the little guy. But we can all continue to win if we all get together and make a community out of this entire thing. So please leave your suggestions down below. I hope this video is coming out right, because I don't know the perspective. But all in all, get out there and make some money. See you guys later.